Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to cascade LM3914 IC. So let's get started. Before watching this video, please watch this video. Here I already explained the basic things of this IC. So in this video I am not going to explain the pin diagrams. Okay, now see this. In this video we will cascade 3 pieces of LM3914. This is IC1, IC2 and IC3. Pin number 2 and 8 should be connected to the ground, and pin number 3 and 9 should be connected to the plus VCC. With pin number 7 we have to connect 4.7 kilo ohms resistor, and then it is connected to the ground. Pin number 5 is signal input, so we have to connect all the pin 5 together. Here we will provide the signal. This is first IC, it is second and it is third. A potentiometer should be connected to the pin 4 of first IC. One side of the potentiometer should be connected to the ground and other pin to the VCC. Another potentiometer is connected to pin number 6 of third IC. One side is connected to the ground, other pin is connected to the plus VCC. Now we have to connect its pin number 6 to pin number 4 of second IC. Then again pin number 6 of second IC to the pin number 4 of third IC. Again, if you have another IC, then you have to connect this pin number 6 to the pin number 4 of next IC. So this is how we have to cascade. Pin number 4 is lower limit and pin number 6 is upper limit. I'll explain this thing at the time of practical. Now we have to connect the outputs, the LEDs. The first output is pin number 1, then second output is pin number 18, then 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and the last output is pin number 10. And in this way we have to connect the LED. The negative pin is connected to the IC and with the positive pin we have to connect VCC. So these all are connected in this way. This is the last output and these are all positive pin of LED. The value of the potentiometer is 10 kilo ohms. So this is the circuit diagram. Now we will see this thing on practical. One request, please consider to subscribe my channel. This will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. This is the IC LM3914, IC1, IC2, IC3. Pin number 2 and 8 are connected to the ground and pin number 3 and 9 are connected to the positive rail. 4.7 kilo ohms resistor is connected with pin number 7 and then it is connected to the ground. Putting the potentiometer, both are 10 kilo ohms. One side of the pin is connected to the positive rail and other side of the pin is connected to the negative rail. Pin number 4 of first IC is connected to the middle pin of the potentiometer. This is pin number 4 and it is connected to the middle pin of the potentiometer. And for the last IC, pin number 6 is connected to the middle pin of the potentiometer. Its pin number 6 is connected to the pin number 4 of second IC and then again pin number 6 of second IC to the pin number 4 of third IC. Now we have to connect all the pin number 5. Pin number 5 to 5, pin number 5 to 5. And pin number 5 is signal input. Okay, so this is the input connection. Now we have to connect the output, that is LEDs. Connecting the LEDs, positive pin is connected to the positive rail. Now we have to connect the negative pin of the LED to the IC. This is output 1, pin number 1 of first IC. So this pin should be connected to first LED. And this is the last output, that is pin number 10 of third IC. And this pin should be connected to this LED. One IC can control 10 LED, so we need 30 LED. This is pin number 1 to the first LED. Pin number 18 to second LED. 17 to third LED. 16 to 4th LED, 15 to 5th LED, 14 to 6th LED, pin number 13 to 7th LED, pin number 12 to 8th LED, pin number 11 to 9th LED, and pin number 10 to 10th LED. And like this we have to connect them all. This is how we have connected like this, and in this way we have completed our connection. Now we have to connect the power supply and provide the signal to pin number 5. I am providing 12 volt. So here it is positive and negative. Now I am providing the signal. The signal pin I have connected to pin number 5, and it is ground. This is positive pin of the meter, and it is negative pin. The power supply is 12.4 volt. In the potentiometer I have connected this pin with the negative and this pin with the positive. Make it minimum. This is negative pin and this is positive. Make it maximum. As I already told you that pin number 4 is lower limit and pin number 6 is upper limit. Here this potentiometer is connected with pin number 4, this pin. So this works as a lower limit, and now the lower limit is negative, that is 0 volt, and as it is maximized, so the upper limit is 12.4 volt. Now I am connecting the positive pin of the multimeter to the signal pin. Signal pin means pin number 5 of any IC. So I am connecting with this. Now slightly I will increase the signal voltage. Now it is 2.2 millivolt. It's 500 millivolt. It is 1 volt. Now when I provide 12.4 volt to the signal pin, all the LED will glow up. Slightly I will increase. Again I am decreasing the voltage. So this is how we can cascade this IC. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.